Namaskar, welcome to CATS IS. Keeping track of the regional development is not just important for your state competitive, but also important to know about the socio-economic progress of our region. So, we represent comprehensive analysis of Odisha current affairs of June 2026. Let's start. ये पीपीटी आपन को मिली जिवो टेलीग्राम चैनल रे कैग्स रो टेलीग्राम चैनल जिबे सेठी आपन को पीपीटी मिल जाए. We'll start with today's first topic. We'll start with today's first topic, that is Puri Municipal Corporation. Puri municipality was officially upgraded to Puri Municipal Corporation right now. So Puri Municipal Corporation रे add है ये ची. So now total Odisha रे कितना municipal corporation है बे? Odisha has total 6 municipal corporation. Okay, 6 municipal corporation. Municipal corporation विषय भी जान दबा. What it is an urban local body, and it is tasked with administering large cities. Established under 74th Constitutional Amendment, and it is introduced in Part 9A of the Constitution, and even it is added in 12th Schedule of the Constitution. Then, को articles आसे सेटा भी जानिबा. Article 243Q deals with, it directs the creation of municipal corporation for large urban areas, that is metropolitan and cities. Then comprises what? ये lead करे, ये head करे टा, comprises of council, who is elected councillors plus mayor, elected by the councillors and the mayor, and then the standing committees, which are the permanent members, and then the executive wing headed by the municipal commissioner appointed by state government. They are appointed by the state government. Then we'll go to the, this is all about your municipal corporation, and Puri municipality has been upgraded to municipal corporation, and Odisha has 6 municipal corporations. Then next if we go Naxalism in Odisha. Apan man janithibe that red corridor is a very famous term which we say that red corridor passes through Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, and it is very crucial because of the large scale spread of Naxal or Maoist. Then what Odisha government has done right now, it has targeted March 2026 as to free or eliminate Naxalism in Odisha. So this article comes up in that range. Indian government set a firm target to mark the entire country, including Odisha, completely Naxal free by March 31st, 2026. The security agencies have largely achieved this goal, with Odisha police declaring the state effectively free from the left-wing extremism. What is left-wing extremism? That is nothing but Naxalism or Maoism. Then security operations kono, major operations kon niyaji, that is operations Steepless and operation Green Hunt. How kono Indian government neji strategy kon neji, that is Samadhan strategy. What it deals with? It deals with smart leadership, aggressive strategy, motivation and training the police, and then actionable intelligence, that is intelligence sharing would be done to trace the Naxalist. Then dashboard based performance metrics, that what performance it has done, like district level re kona performance hechi. Then harnessing technology like with GIS mapping or drone technology, you can say. Then action plans for theaters and no financial access for insurgents, that insurgents जो माननको financial access मिलुथिला तो माननको access मिलिबनी by adding jammers or CCTVs like that. So this is all about the Naxalism. So I have said the red corridor, this term is very important perspective of Naxalism in Odisha. Then if we go towards the other one, that is Go East initiative. Now the Odisha government has introduced a Go East initiative in Odisha, which stands for, like, it is a platform which stands for Government of Odisha government of, it stands for Government of Odisha, that is GO, and E stands for Eastern Investment Accelerator and Special Task Force. So what it does, it gives a platform to the investors to do a easy investment to the give easy investment to the startup ecosystem. So it gives boost to the startup ecosystem especially. What are the features? Under this initiative, a dedicated GoEast cell will be established within what IPCOL, that is Industrial Promotion and Investment Corporation of Odisha Limited, and it is a single window mechanism. Then its objective, what it is for, that handling fast approvals, quicker project implementation, and dedicated relationship management for the investor, so that investors would be having a confidence to invest on the particular projects, and they can provide us a startup ecosystem in our state. Then you can see targeted regions West Bengal, investors from West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh will receive priority facilitation through a dedicated help desk at IPCOL. Okay. Now, if you ask that what it symbolizes, what it does, especially it gives like Jimte kahi abo, it gives a hand to a good hand to the investor, investor confidence boost hobo, investment bodibo, and when investment increases, then even our GDP increases and even economic growth will happen. Now next article hochi Kalinga Maritime Museum. Eta koti achi? Eta achi Paradip re ebe recently eta inaugurate heichi. What it does? It is a testament to both architectural innovation and climate resilience. You can see this is an architectural innovation. Obviously, you can see from the picture itself, and its unique fish-shaped structure will be oriented. This is fixed fish-shaped structure built. So what it does is oriented to the face of the sea. Face karchi, then channeling that. What it channels? Natural wind flow along with body to the tail for enhancing wind resistance. Okay. Face says that natural wind flow kimti haba, and eta kono define kare that wind resistance ko kimti se handle kare. What it does? It is engineered to withstand the diverse climatic conditions of the Odisha, and museum will robust enough to handle temperature extremes ranging from 80 to 450 degrees centigrade. Why? Because Odisha is a very Odisha has a very extreme climatic zone, so extreme climatic conditions, so it can withstand that. And where it comes, Paradip case, as it is near to the sea, it has temperature difference, so it can withstand the temperature difference of 80 to 450 centigrade. Then what it symbolizes? A museum con symbolize karche. This symbolizes the Odisha's rich maritime heritage or maritime culture which we had. Okay, it symbolizes Odisha's rich maritime history. Okay, rich maritime symbolizes Odisha's rich maritime history. Then go to the next one. Next one is about NEST. What is NEST? It is just a Odisha tech hub, technology hub you can say. Okay, एथरे कौन हब? एथरे विभिन्न like IT parks set हब, technological parks set हब, fintech city like financial technological city build hub, and even what it will do, manufacturing units be set hub. So we'll discuss about it. First, Bhubaneswar Fintech City. It is designed as a fintech and insure tech capital of the East. Okay, supported by state-of-art incubation centers. Incubation centers kona, they will give boost to the startup ecosystem in Odisha. Then decentralized tech hubs kodi achi, 8 reasons re achi. राउरकेला कौन भाई सेमीकंडक्टर रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट और एआई, and Sambalpur for digital logistics, Cuttack for legal technology or data centers, and even some are there like Puri or Konark for tourism technology, Paradeep for hardware exports. Like if I write it here, Paradeep for hardware export zones. Paradeep, or you can add even Dhamra. Dhamra re bhi achi. Dhamra, and even Puri or Konark for heritage or tourism technology, tourism tech. Then even Barampur bhi achi for electronics manufacturing, electronic manufacturing. आउ कौन गोटे अच्छी बालेश्वर, मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट बालेश्वर अच्छी कोथिपाई फॉर डिफेंस टेक्नोलॉजी, डिफेंस टेक्नोलॉजी और ड्रोन्स, ये सब कौन करिवो, ये सब टेक्नोलॉजी हब बिल्ड हबो, ये सब 8 रीजंस रे, so that they can make Odisha as a startup ecosystem, or even give a boost to the employment sector also. Next, more famous, you can say Jagannath Temple trademark, which we have got recently last month. What trademarks कौन कौन है जी? Trademarks कहाँ को मिले? जो माने like if they are this, you can say कि Jagannath Administrative Authority, they have tried to add some words which the trademark list, and what words they have added, that is first hochi Patito Pavana, that is Jagannatha amaro. Next, Ananda Bazar, that is the sacred Mahaprasad dining area within the temple. Out a logo mark could be trademark milch, that is Neela Chakra, that is this one, Neela Chakra, sacred 8-spoked metal disc atop the temple spire. Okay, this one. एटा को ट्रेडमार्क जो मिली केते पीरियड जाए ट्रेडमार्क टा रही परिबो, और केते पीरियड जाए वी कैन से दैट दिस ट्रेडमार्क हैज बीन डन, और को भी जो भी जहां को भी ट्रेडमार्क मिल छी केते पीरियड जाए रुहे ट्रेडमार्क स्टेट्स फॉर a period of 10 years. Okay, a period of 10 years. Now सिमती जीआई टैग भी मिले, तो जीआई टैग भी ओडिसा रे बहुत सारा अछि, तो जीआई टैग केते वर्ष जाए मिले? जीआई टैग भी फॉर ए पीरियड ऑफ 10 years. You can say GI tag आउ ट्रेडमार्क भितर डिफरेंस कोन? तो GI ट्रेडमार्क होची some specific words, logo ए सब को मिले, so that आउ के सेटा को तारो प्रॉपर्टी तारो राइट्स को इन्फ्रिंज न कर परिबो. बट GI टैग कहा को मिले? इट कैन यू कैन गेट टू एनी आर्टिकल लाइक जेमति कि हमरो यू कैन से कंधमाल हळदी को for its uniqueness or for distinctive cultural or traditional knowledge रे जहाँ भी produce है जी, we can give GI tag to that. GI tag माने कौन? Geographical indication. Second होची, next article होची विकास से धारा ओडिशा सारा. विकास से धारा ओडिशा सारा एटा के ए थीम थिला केबे माने लाइक थीम कौन पाई आस्तिला? बिकॉज पीएम and president visited Odisha on 20th of June to this village, is Pahadpur village in Mayurbhanj. They visited this village and say through theme and they have started, they have laid many foundation stone projects like foundation stone रखिथिले बहुत सारा प्रोजेक्ट्स रो सो सेई थ्रू गोटे थीम आसिला से रखिथिले विकास से धारा ओडिसा सारा कौन कौन से करथिले what they did president and pm to participate in the program marking completion of 2 years of the government of Odisha at Rairangpur in Mayurbhanj. Inauguration and foundation stone of various development projects worth 47,600 crore to take place. 47,600 crores ro gote investment project anthile on in various projects, not only in one project. Then project span kon sectors re anthile like energy, industrial infrastructure, road connectivity, drinking water, health, education, tourism and irrigation. If we see kon anithile, then you will get a better idea of it. Okay, kon anithile, first you can see 600 megawatt upper Indravati plant or project. Okay, 600 pumped storage plant. Okay, pumped storage plant. First anithile 600 megawatt upper Indravati pumped storage plant. आउ कौन सेकेंड इब रिवर अच्छी महानदी गोटे ट्रिब्यूट इब थर्मल पावर स्टेशन देन आउ कौन आनथिले 300 bedded district headquarter hospitals at Podh district रे आनिथिले प्लस कौन आनिथिले अटल बस स्टैंड्स फोर्थ इंडोर बैडमिंटन कॉम्प्लेक्स at Rairangpur Mayurbhanj. Mayurbhanj आउ कौन आनथिले नेक्स्ट इंपोर्टेंट गोटे भारत कोल गैसिफिकेशन प्लांट आनथिले plant at Lakhanpur village in Mayurbhanj. आनथिले ए सब प्रोजेक्ट्स रे एतिकी सब जिंस थिला दैट इज इंद्रावती pumped storage plant which will provide water, then thermal power station for generation of electricity, hospitals and even bus stand for road connectivity, plus healthcare sector and indoor badminton complex for sports, even coal gasification for energy security. Then next hela one liners. These are the main important जिनस जोटा से करिथिले. नेक्स्ट आसीबो उत्कल रत्न अवार्ड. उत्कल रत्न अवार्ड मिलथिला कहा को? उत्कल रत्न अवार्ड मिलथिला कहा को? He was a former governor of Andhra Pradesh and even Chhattisgarh, Sri Vishwabhushan Harichandan. Okay, and for what he received the award? It is for his literature works in Odia language. Okay, for his literature works in Odia language, he got conferred with Utkal Ratna award. Even in addition to that, you can even add that he even got Kalinga Ratna award. Kalinga Ratna Award in 2021. This he got in 2026, and Kalinga Ratna Award, he even got Kalinga Ratna Award in 2021 for his literary works. Okay, next, next corner, Nandigaon in Dhamnagar block of Bhadrak district is officially recognized as the Odisha's first model solar village. Okay, if they ask which is the first Odisha's first model solar village, it is Nandigaon in Dhamra block of Bhadrak district. Nandigaon in Bhadrak district, you can remember this much. Okay. Then under what? Selected under Pradhan Mantri Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, and this model village has successfully installed. How much it has installed? That is 119 kilowatt of solar capacity to power its community and household. That's why it has been considered as the Odisha's first model solar village. So if you ask what is India's first solar village, India's first solar village, then it would be Modhera koti achi Gujarat re. Okay, Modhera Gujarat re. One more jinso jota addition heichi mane jota ethi lekha hini, I can write it right now. Odisha's first smart village, eta hegala first model solar village. Odisha smart village, which can be Odisha smart village, it is Kusunpur village. Koti achi Kendrapada re. Okay. Now next, that is India's first commercial scale coal to ammonium nitrate plant. It is कोटा केते crores रो plant build करछि करा हेछि, that is 25,016 crores रो. एटा कोटी build हेछि, that is Lakhanpur Jharsuguda district of Odisha has been built. Okay, sorry for one mistake I have done right now. That is, here I have written Vikas Dhara se Dhara re I have written that coal Bharat coal gasification plant release hechi. It was in Lakhanpur Jharsuguda re. I have written Mayurbhanj, so do correct it. Next, this is all about your Odisha's current affairs of June month 2026. I hope you like it. Do like and do view it. Do a comprehensive study of Odisha's current affairs with your India's current affairs, so that you can ace any competitive exam you want. Thank you so much.